Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites, update Roblox and GPU drivers, then back up your game files. Once done, open Roblox settings and raise graphics quality to 10 to force high-res textures. Make sure performance mode is disabled and disable any in-game post-processing options that blur details. You want sharp textures loading, not compressed placeholders. While you're here, note your screen resolution and render scale, so the next steps apply cleanly, and don't introduce new scaling artifacts. Next, force high-resolution assets by adjusting the Roblox client settings and command line render scale to 100% or slightly above. This tells the engine to stop using low-res LODs. Once changed, clear the asset and shader caches in appdata/local/Roblox to remove old compressed textures. Make sure your GPU is on a high-performance power plan and that desktop resolution and refresh rate are locked to native values, because dynamic scaling or power saving often triggers blur. Finish by restarting Roblox so the new settings and cleared caches fully apply, then test multiple maps and assets to confirm crisp textures. If blurriness persists, reinstall the client and reinstall or roll back GPU drivers to a stable release. Also check for overlays, in-game recorders, or streaming software that injects compression. Disable them. If nothing works, reproduce the issue with a clean user profile and capture logs. This isolates whether it's system-level or server-side asset delivery causing the blur.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.